Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail umbrella easy method. Gather paper, toothpicks, glue, scissors, and a small bead for the cap. Fold and cut your circle evenly as the first step. Keep edges neat and use light glue to avoid stiffness. I'll walk you through folding, attaching the toothpick, shaping the canopy, and adding color for a finished look you can use in drinks and parties. Start by tracing a 2-inch circle on thin paper or napkin and cut precisely. Fold into equal wedges, lightly crease and glue edges to form a cone. Insert the toothpick carefully through the center, add the bead cap, and let dry flat under a small weight. Test the umbrella open and adjust creases for symmetry, then paint or decorate with markers for a polished, drink-ready accessory. Enjoy party flair. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more craft videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy while you make tiny umbrellas. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair or explore discounts. Thanks for watching and supporting small creators. Now let's get back to the video. Use patterned paper, napkins, or waterproof foil to vary umbrella styles and durability. For sturdier stems, double up toothpicks or use thin bamboo skewers and sand lightly. Experiment with sizes from 1 inch to 4 inches for cocktails or mocktails, and add tiny fringe or glitter sparingly to avoid mess. Store flat between sheets of wax paper to protect paint and glue until ready to use. Practice makes tidy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.